guys, welcome back. My name is Himadri. In today's video I will be showing you guys how to do this beautiful sunset eye makeup look. It's really pretty, it's very elegant, so if you guys are interested then you should definitely keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by using a pore filling primer. I love using pore filling primers. These are silicone based and they are great if you have large pores, and if you want a flawless base you should use pore primers. Next, for the foundation, I'm going to use my trusty Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 332. I'm gonna dot it all over my face and neck as well and blend it out using a damp beauty sponge. After that's done, next I will be filling my brows, which is a very mandatory step. Your makeup look is going to look very incomplete if you're not going to fill in your brows, so I'm going to do that. And after I am done filling both the brows, I'm going to set that in place using a clear brow gel. Next, for the concealer, I'm going to use my favorite, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm going to apply this under my eyes to cover my raccoon eyes and blend it out using a small buffing brush. To set the concealed areas, I'm going to use the Sugar Cosmetics Compact Powder. For the eyes today, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Soft X eyeshadow palette, and starting off I'm going to take this beautiful light brown orange shade. I'll apply this all over my crease using a big fluffy brush. Next, taking this beautiful Barbie pink color, I'll apply this only on my crease just to deepen up and add some depth, as you can see, and I'm going to blend the edges really well. Next, taking this beautiful dark brown chocolate shade, I'll deepen up my crease and I'll also apply this on the outer portions of my eyes, as you can see, and it adds so much depth. Next, taking the same clean fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend the edges so everything is seamless. Taking the same dark brown shade, I'm going to apply this as an eyeliner. Next, I'll apply the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara on my upper and lower lashes. And a very important step that I like to do is to smoke out my lower lash line. This completes the eye look. For contour, blush and highlight, I'll be using the Sugar Cosmetics Contour Palette, and taking this brown shade, I'm going to bronze up my face, that is under my cheekbone, a little bit on my forehead and also on my jawline. Taking the highlighter shade, I'm going to apply this on the highest points of my face. I also went ahead and applied the highlighter under my brow bone and also on the inner corners of my eye. After everything's done, I went off camera and applied my false lashes. These are Kingdom of Lashes eyelashes in the number Natural, I believe. And lastly, for the lips, use this beautiful nude lipstick. You can totally switch the shade if you want to, but I thought that a nude lip would totally complement this whole look. So that's the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to check out Limeroad for some amazing offers, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.